What's up, guys? How's it going? Have you guys ever wondered about how I make all these amazing beats and tunes and melodies and vibes? Well, if anything, guys, I'm going to show you how I get a little inspired and how I just create these little patterns that make these little beats and tunes and beats like these and become like an amazing piece of art. So here I go. So first I do some thinking, and I'm doing some thinking, and I'm doing some thinking. And then I go ahead and use something called addictive keys. Just thinking, why not? I'll create a little tune for it. So I did, and this is the outcome. Too bad, not too bad. They're not all red, by the way. They're just kind of highlighted a bit, but that's okay. Now for the real melody, I used this in the beginning before I made that beat. I used something like this at first. See, now that was weird. What the heck is this? What the f is this piece of shit? What the fuck is that? Anyways, so I had some Minecraft vibes with this part, but it completely just got to my head. I'm just like, I created this part here, and I just decided to use some loops, and then take this piano bit here, and then just combine that together, and then I made something beautiful, I guess. And then it just became this. Well anyways, let's move on from this. So I'm going to show you another project. So as you see here, we're going through all my projects. I'm just kidding. Nah, if anything, I have a bunch of melodies in here. You can't see it, but there's a secret way. If anything, I'm going to show you another project. Why not?